Hi, Algebra 1. These are the problems that from homework. Double check yours. Make sure you got them right. If you have any questions, let me know. X to the 7th times 4x to the 3rd. So 3 times 4 is 12. Add the exponents together because you're being multiplied. So x to the 10th. Number 2, we got negative 2x to the 3rd times 5x squared. Multiply the base numbers together, so we get negative 10. Add the exponents, so that's x to the 5th. Problem number 3, 2x times the quantity, x plus 2, distribute over the top, so I'm going to get 6x squared plus 4x. Problem number 4, we get 5x times 3x squared minus 2x plus 4. Let's distribute over parentheses, so I'm going to get 15x to the 3rd minus 10x squared plus 20x. Let me know if you have any questions on these. Happy to help you. Number 5, 2x times the quantity, 3x squared minus 5x minus 10. Distribute over these, so I'm going to get 6x to the 3rd minus 10x squared minus 20x. Problem number 6, we have x plus 2 times x minus 3. So distribute the x first to both of those, then distribute the 2. So this goes plus 2x minus 6. Those are like terms, so combine those together. 3x minus, plus 2x is minus x or minus 1x, however you'd like to write it. Number 7, we get x plus 3 and x minus 3. Let's multiply those together, so I get x squared minus 3x. 3x distributed, or 3 distributed, so plus 3x minus 9. Those are like terms, and they actually cancel each other out, so we get x squared minus 9. That's actually one that we will focus on in tomorrow's lesson. Number 8, x minus 4 and x minus 4. Distribute the x, so x times x and x times negative 4. So I get x squared minus 4x. Distribute negative 4. Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. Negative 4 times 4 is positive 16. Combine our like terms together, so we get negative 8x plus 16. Number 9, I get 3x minus 4, and I get 2x plus 5. Distribute 3x to both, so 3x times 2x is 6x squared. 3x times 5 is 15x. Distribute negative 4 to both of those. Negative 4 times 2x is negative 8x. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. Those are like terms. And we wind up with 6x squared plus 7x minus 20. Number 10, 6x minus 5 and 2x minus 3. So 6x times 2x is 12x squared. 6x times negative 3 is negative 18x. Distribute negative 5 to both. Negative 5 times 2x is negative 10x. Negative 5 times negative 3 is positive 15. Those are like terms. Combine those together. I get negative 28x plus 15. Number 11, we have 3x minus 2 and x minus 1. So let's distribute 3x over the parentheses. 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times 1 is 3x. Distribute the negative 2, negative 2x. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Those are like terms. Combine those together. It's number 12. We get x minus 2 and 7x plus 4. Distribute the x, so I get 7x squared plus 4x. Distribute the negative 2. Those are like terms, so combine them together. 4x minus 14x is negative 10x minus 8. On to the back page, page 28. Number 13, we want to find the area. So I have x minus 2 and 2x plus 7. So in order to find the area is length times width, so multiply those together. I get x minus 2 times 2x plus 7. Distribute the x over. X times 2x is 2x squared. X times 7 is 7x. Distribute the negative 2, I get negative 4x minus 14. Combine our like terms. So our area is that. Number 14, we want to find the area of the triangle. So we have a height here of x plus 2, and we have this base of 4x minus 2. So remember, in order to find the area of a triangle, it's 1/2 base times height. So I'm going to go area equals 1/2. I'm going to hold on to that 1/2 for a little bit. And let's multiply these together first. So 4x, so 1/2 is out front. Keep in parentheses, 4x times x is 4x squared. 4x times 2 is 8x. Negative 2x, oops, I forgot the x right there. And negative 2 times that is negative 4. Those are like terms, so let's combine those together. So I get 4x squared plus 6x, because 8x minus 2x minus 4. And then let's now at the end distribute half. So half of 4x squared is 2x squared. Half of 6x is 3x. And half of negative 4 is negative 2. So our area of this particular triangle as binomials excuse me, is what's circled in. Now we're going to go back to what we've been working on to find the sum. So I can drop both sets of parentheses because I'm just adding them. So I get 3x to the third plus 2x squared minus x plus 3x squared plus 2x minus 3. And let's start combining like terms. So I have 3x squared, or 3x to the third, nothing else. I get positive 2x and plus 3x, that's plus 5x squared. Negative x plus 2x is x, and then minus 3. So classify, so it's cubic because it's raised to the third. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 terms, so that's a polynomial. Number 16, I could drop the first set of parentheses because there's only a 1 out front. Distribute the negative over, so negative times negative x squared is positive x squared. Negative times positive is negative. Combine your like terms, so I have x squared and x squared. Those cancel each other out. So that's our answer. So this to the second power is called quadratic. There's only one term, so it's monomial. Number 17, I can drop the first set of parentheses. I can drop the second set of parentheses because it's just a positive. And then I can distribute the negative over. Negative times 11x squared is negative 11x squared. Negative times negative 7x is positive 7x. Negative times negative 3 is positive 3. Okay, so I get 4x to the third. And then let's see, I have x squared here and here and here. So negative 3 plus 6 is 3. 3 minus 11x is negative 8x squared. And then I have 12x and 7x, so combine those together, so I get 19x. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. Negative 2 plus 3 is positive 1. So this is a cubic because my highest exponent is third. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms, so it's a polynomial. So there's not really a lesson today. It's just working on our homeworks. Please take the time to get this as close to done as possible, but I'd like you to work on page 29 and 30, 1 through 22, and do all of them. Ask me if you need any help. Happy to help you. Have a great day.